Okay guys, welcome back. Meron naman tayong i-upload na another native products. Yan. Ito ay tawag guys is laundry, native laundry. Yan guys oh. Yan. Native laundry. Mostly ang nilalagay dito is yung mga damit na labahan. Yan. Kung maglalaba tayo, ito yung ginagamit kasi hindi ito masisira. Guys, and di pa mababasag. Laundry ito guys, small lang ito, merong mga malalaki, mga ilang meter guys. Yan guys oh. Laundry, native laundry. And guys, please support me and follow my Facebook. Thank you sa lahat, and God bless all. Thank you guys. Thank you.